Hi, this is Basic Chemistry. Welcome to our next name reaction, Peterson reaction. This type of reaction is very important for CSIR NET, GATE and IIT JAM. And this type of example has been frequently asked in every entrance examination. So, if we follow the reaction mechanism of that type of reaction, this type of substrate act differently at presence of base and at presence of acid. They give different type of product. Now, at presence of base, the reaction mechanism goes like this. The base pick up a proton over there and form this type of O negative. Now this O minus will chelate with the silicon, and the chelation is more favorable when this will be in syn orientation. To make this orientation in syn periplanar, we have to rotate this bond. Suppose this bond is over there and the R group over there. This R dot is coming in the same side of the R dash on the plane, and O minus is going down due to rotation, and the structure end up in like this. After that, the chelation is very well understandable. After chelation, the structure will be like this. After that, this type of mechanism give this type of syn product, okay, where the Z and E ratio is 98:2. So Z is the major product. So this is the Z product. So when the silicon and oxygen is in the anti position, then it gives Z isomer as major. But when the silicon and oxygen, as the silicon and O minus is both the below the plane and both are in the syn position, then it will easily chelate in the plane. So we don't need to rotate any bond. So it will give the trans isomer or E isomer major. But in case of acidic medium, if we draw the molecule again, at presence of acidic medium, first of all, this OH get protonated and water molecule attacks on the silicon over there, and it follow the E2 elimination process and gives this type of trans product. To know the stereochemistry properly, we can draw also like this way. If we take this double CC bond on plane like this, now if we rotate the SiMe3 on the plane, it is below the plane coming on the plane SiMe3, therefore R is on the plane, it will go above the plane because all are rotating 60 degree. It will go above the plane and the hydrogen will go below the plane. Similarly, in this center, the R dash which is on the plane, it will go below the plane, and the OH which is above the plane, it will remain on plane, followed by water attack from there, as it is a anti-periplanar, therefore it easily kick it out, and this R group and R dash group is in anti position, therefore it will give the trans product. right? And the Ez ratio is over there 99:1. Similarly, if the OH and SiMe3 is in the same side, and if we draw similarly, this bond is on plane, therefore SiMe3 which was below the plane, it will be on plane due to rotation of 60 degree, and the R which was on plane, it will go above the plane due to rotation of 60 degree, like this rotation, and the hydrogen which will be below the plane. Similarly, on that center, the R dash due to rotation, it will be above the plane, and the OH which is below the plane, which will be on plane and on protonated form, followed by this kind of elimination after attacking water will be like this, where R dash and R is in the syn manner, both are above the plane, it will give the syn product or Z isomer. Z will be major. So this is the basic Peterson reaction. Depending on the pH of the reaction condition of the reaction medium, the product is different. Okay, it comes frequently in many entrance exam, and one of the example is this: at presence of base and this type of substrate, which will be the product. It is pretty simple because base undergo through chelation, therefore we have solved this type of problem. At presence of base, O minus and SiMe3 is in trans, is in anti position, then it gives cis product, 6 olefin. Okay, so the answer over there is B, right? If there is any problem, please ask me on the comment box. And thanks for watching this video. For more tutorial, please subscribe my channel Basic Chemistry, and for any help, any question oriented help, you can mail me on basicchemistryhelpline@gmail.com.